So for this question, they gave us a graph, and part A is saying write down the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. And of course, the turning point is this point right here. So we're going to write the coordinates, which are the x value of 1 and the y value of -3. So 1 comma -3. For part B, it says write down estimates for the roots of f of x equals to 0. So f of x equals to 0, meaning this always means y equals to 0. And the roots are always the x values. Okay, so basically this part is saying write down the x values for which y is equal to 0. So what are the x values when y equals to 0? Okay, so y equals to 0 is this line right here. So when y equals to 0, our graph is right here and at this x value. So these are the two x values. To me, it looks like this is -0.7 and this one looks like 2.7. So the x values when y equals to 0 are -0.7 and 2.7. And part C says, use a graph to find an estimate for f of 1.5. So f of 1.5 is going to be, this means the x value is 1.5, right? So what is the y value when x is 1.5? Well, it's going to be -2.8. So -2.8.